Perfecting proofreading. Using a ruler or pointer effectively. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into a specialized and useful technique for proofreading, using a ruler or pointer. But we're not just stopping there. We'll also explore how this traditional tool can complement other proofreading methods. Let's get started. First off, you might wonder, why use a ruler or pointer at all? Well, 1. It isolates individual lines of text, helping your eyes focus on one line at a time. 2. This technique reduces the chances of accidentally skipping lines or words. 3. It encourages a slow and methodical reading pace, perfect for catching those pesky errors. While a ruler or pointer is great on its own, it's even more powerful when combined with other techniques. 1. Read aloud. As you slide your ruler or pointer down the text, try reading the content aloud. This engages both visual and auditory senses, increasing the likelihood of spotting mistakes. 2. Backward reading. Start from the end of the document and work your way up. This strategy breaks the narrative flow and forces you to look at the structure of individual sentences and words. 3. Highlighting. Alongside using your ruler or pointer, have a highlighter or colored pen at hand. Whenever you spot a possible error, mark it. Return to these highlighted sections once you're done for a more in-depth review. 1. Keep it steady. Move the ruler or pointer steadily to maintain a consistent pace. Resist the temptation to speed up. 2. Adjust positioning. Place the ruler just below the line you're reading, ensuring the next line is hidden. This way, your focus remains undivided. 3. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to mix and match techniques. Some sections might benefit more from backward reading, while others from reading aloud. Trust your instincts. There you have it. With a simple tool like a ruler or pointer, you can elevate your proofreading game significantly. Remember, it's not just about the tool, but how you use it. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you polish your written pieces to perfection. Happy proofreading!